again and welcome to PWG Group YouTube channel. I know most of you guys are interested and very excited to be here in Poland, especially to those who got already their visa and are ready to fly. Well, for today's video guys, we are going to discuss those important things that you must bring before coming here to Poland.
Yes, that's right. And take note guys, please don't skip this video because this might be very helpful to share with you and to know what are those things that most importantly needed for you to bring here in Poland. But before that, to those who are new here and haven't subscribed yet to PWG Group YouTube channel, please do subscribe for more future videos. So, here we go. Number 1, universal adapter. Personally guys, this is one of the most important things that we need to bring whenever we travel, especially here in Europe country. Because guys, electronic adapter are the perfect choice of devices that can be used for any kind of hardware and plug connections.
That's right. Well guys, let's move on to number 2. Number 2 is rice cooker.
Yes.
So guys, if rice is like for you like me, then you have to bring your own rice cooker. It is more convenient, especially here in Poland. Rice cooker is quite expensive. So if you have space on your luggages, please make a space for your own rice cooker.
Number 3, extension wire or cord. Well, it is also nice to have this extension wire or cord, especially guys if you have more than 1 or 2 gadgets like laptops, cell phones, or might be your rice cooker. So based on my own experience guys, it is really convenient.
Number 4, thermal clothes. Guys, it is very important to have your own thermal clothes, especially if you're working on any meat factory that could almost have a 5 degrees below cold inside the factory. So please don't forget to pack up your own thermal clothes.
Number 5, warmer clothes like jackets, gloves, or socks. But guys, remember, jacket that can be used in 4 seasons. Let's say guys, you will be arrived this season, which is spring. Spring guys is like a preparation for summer, but it doesn't mean that it is hot or humid. Trust me guys, still very cold, especially in the nighttime.
Well guys, let's move on to number 6. Number 6 is extra money or pocket money. We advise you guys to bring or have some extra pocket money for some unexpected expenses, especially that you have to wait for 1 month before getting your own salary. And it is more easier and convenient if you are going to change your currency into zloty or dollars or euros before flying here to Poland. Last but not the least, number 7. Number 7 is medicine or topical medicine. Guys, it is very important to keep your body in good condition, especially if you are working in a new environment and your body still not get used to it. Then you have to expect your first 2 weeks or 3 weeks would be very hard. You would feel body pain or cramps in your hand. So much better to have your own medicine or topical medicine. Because guys, we must always remember that your health is wealth.
There you go guys. Hope you liked this short clip video, and if you have any more content suggestion or question, please comment down below and we will try to answer your question on our next video.
Guys, we should always remember that opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Dream big, set your goal, and let PWG Group be part of it by starting your application and be here in Poland,
Czech Republic,
Germany,
and of course, Canada.
That's all for now guys. See you in our next video. Bye!